Hi, this is a video demo for the mini Gons, the JBL C46s. As you can see, there's some damage here. You've seen the pictures of the water damage here. There's some of the on the face, but it's also missing the one front panel here. These are stamped number 23, so I don't know if these are 23rd made or whatever. But they sound great. I got them powered with Macintosh NC60s. At first, I'm going to have it with no subwoofer, and then I'll turn the subwoofer on. So enjoy.